Welcome to Gear Speed Hub, your trusted source for the latest vehicle reviews, specs, and features. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Jinpeng Electric Rickshaw, a reliable and eco-friendly solution for urban and commercial transportation. The 2025 Jinpeng Electric Rickshaw is designed for efficiency, affordability, and sustainability. It features a sturdy yet lightweight chassis with an aerodynamic design to improve stability and performance. The exterior is modern, with sleek headlights, a spacious cabin, and durable metal panels to ensure longevity and safety. The rickshaw comes in multiple color options, catering to different customer preferences. Powering the Jinpeng Electric Rickshaw is an advanced electric motor that delivers smooth and silent operation. The high-efficiency motor generates sufficient power for city commutes and heavy-duty commercial use. With an expected top speed of around 45 to 50 km per hour, it is perfect for urban areas, offering an optimal balance of speed and safety. One of its biggest highlights is its long-lasting battery, available in lead-acid or lithium-ion variants. The battery provides a range of approximately 100 to 150 km on a full charge, depending on load and driving conditions. Fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime, making it a practical choice for daily commercial operations. The suspension system includes telescopic forks at the front and a robust rear suspension setup, providing a comfortable ride on uneven roads. Wide tubeless tires offer better grip and stability, ensuring a safe and smooth driving experience. Braking performance is enhanced with a combination of drum brakes and a regenerative braking system, improving efficiency and reducing overall maintenance costs. The cabin is designed with comfort in mind, featuring a spacious seating arrangement for both driver and passengers. The ergonomic dashboard includes a digital display, providing real-time information on speed, battery status, and range. Additional features such as USB charging ports and smart connectivity options make the rickshaw more convenient for modern users. With its low running costs, zero emissions, and government incentives for electric vehicles, the 2025 Jinpeng Electric Rickshaw is an excellent choice for businesses and individual operators looking for a sustainable and cost-effective transportation solution. Its combination of durability, efficiency, and modern technology makes it one of the best options in the electric rickshaw segment. For more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive updates, stay tuned to Gear Speed Hub. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.